I was just gifted this checkered easy jute rug, which is a 2x3 rug, perfect for your mudroom, laundry room, or maybe even your kitchen. What makes this rug so great is that, first off, it's washable. Yes, you can throw this in your wash, ideally cold water, and then air dry. They air dry very quickly, and so this is really built to last, can take a lot, and you can just wash it as needed. On top of that, it is not only stain resistant, but it also has such a nice dark coloring that's going to hide a lot as well. So this really can be a workhorse rug for those dirtier spaces in your home, really to capture all that dirt before it goes into the rest of your home. Now, I just got this and it was folded up when I got it and had very clear crease lines. It still has a slight line, which I'm not worried about. That's going to go away very quickly. And how I got rid of most of the crease lines was just throwing it in the dryer for 10 minutes and then letting it flatten out. And that really worked beautifully. It has very clean stitching along the edges, and it has nice detailing too on each end. And then the backside is completely non-stick, kind of a grippy material to really hold it in place wherever you put it. So you get that great hard working rug wherever you need it. And in my experience, these rugs do wash beautifully. I usually make sure that I kind of fold them in a little bit so the sticky part is not on the outside when I wash them, just because that gives it a quick, cleaner wash. And I think that if this sticky part smacks against the sides of the washer too much, you're gonna get faster wear and tear. But I really do love this style of carpet. I think it's exceptionally useful, and I think this will serve you well if you like this styling. This is the Evyhood checkered washable rug. I hope this video helps you.